Hey everybody! We want to introduce you to a new video series called What's in the Shop. This is where we have real customers with real problems, and the most important thing we want to show you is how to prevent them. So come with me and let's go see what's in the shop. So today we're working on a 2012 Keystone Bullet. What we want to show you is that the front cap has a bunch of delamination in it due to water getting in. The guys are currently getting ready to remove the front cap. One of the reasons is you can see all the water that collects on the front. We've already started scraping the outer, but you can see where the sealants were cracking all the way down and how the roof itself buckles in the middle a little bit. It's holding the water. A big mistake that the factories make is they don't put screws at the ends. These moldings are pre-cut every 6 inches, and then when they're doing production, they just whack off the end, and as you can see, there's no screws at all in that 6-inch area. Another issue that we always run into is that these sides usually end up leaking. And again, there's a screw where they put in to hold down the insert molding. The only screw that was cut in for the 6 inches, the next screw for the 6 inches, and this is a buckling point. So we always put in extra screws, at least 1 or 2 in this area. Same thing for this molding, it's also a buckling point. So we usually put in a secondary screw over in this area. As you can see that the rubber roof hasn't been cleaned and maintained. It's here for that as well as a roof reseal. It's here as well as for a partial body reseal. We've already started siliconing the windows because we were expecting wet weather. You can see that the amber lights are still in decent shape, even though the sealant is cracking due to being dried out. So stay tuned for more information, and we will continue to post these. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching What's in the Shop. Please hit the subscribe button so you can see our next episode. Thank you for watching.